להרים מאין יבוא עזרי עזרי מעם אדוני.
This event was organized by Jewish people from Aruba. It's not a particular belong to any organization, but the Jewish people that felt that we need to have a event to give support and solidarity to Israel. They organized it. The main guy behind his name is Mr. Gilor Alon. And of course, together with members from all the community, everybody helped to make this happen. The idea of this event is to show support to Israel. It's actually to show our response by unfortunately, what Israel went through, the horrific attack, but to show that we want to spread love, we want to spread positive, we want to spread with kindness. We're here about life. We're here to show that the world needs to be a better place, and we need to show compassion. So I know of at least 15 people that were from the organizers and volunteers, but there's a nice turnout over here. A lot of people that are coming, and it's really warmed the heart to see people come and show support. I think there's not. I think at the moment is people don't see a certainty what is happening. They're not sure what's happening, and it's a little bit difficult for people when they don't know what's happening in Israel, and they're not sure how the world is responding. But I think it's very clear that people are responding in a positive way. People are showing that we're about to bring love and to show that we care about human beings and about making this world a better place. So this event, which was organized by Mr. Alon, was he took it on himself, and to help to cover the cost, he is putting out the box so people can make a donation for a T-shirt. It's just a symbolic thing, and of course there's a lot of sponsors already behind this event. I think they will mention them during the event, but it's only with their help that it was possible to be done. The message that we want to bring is that at the moment our brothers and sisters in Israel need our support, spiritual support, physical support, is by actually doing good things, by spreading love, by explaining to the world that we're about humanity, we're about helping people, we're about life, and we want people to understand that Israel really just wants to live in peace, and we want everybody to live in peace, and we are going to go out to show that we're about peace, about love, and about living with other people in harmony. I think what the message they're trying to bring behind it is Aruba is such a lovely place. If we got to tell you, Aruba is it's heaven on earth, and it always supports everybody, welcomes everybody, and I think they want to show that Aruba and Israel are each other together with this. I think it's a mix, but I see here more majority of local people than tourists. More the local people came out. I think the main person is our dear friend Mr. Gilor Alon, together with the sponsors. I think there's a long list. I don't know them all by heart, but I'm sure we can send you a poster with all the sponsors, each one that made this happen.